Good morning, friends. Welcome back. We are going back to the same tour place from where we went yesterday. Today they're going to take us to the Star Beach and the Birds Island and a couple of more places. So let's go there and meet you over there.
¿Ya tienen papel de estrella? ¿Compraron?
No.
So we are on the Star Beach as of now. The ride to the Bird Island was very scary because the waves were very high. So we didn't stop there for a long time. We were there for like maybe 2-3 minutes. I was not able to capture much because the boat was not at all stable and it was not at all safe. So right now we are on this beach and we're just looking for a good place to sit down and relax. We have like 3 hours on this beach. Priyam, any comment on the ride?
Hell scary. I'm not going to do it again.
Yeah, because it rained in the morning, so I believe because of that the ocean was not calm today.
Yes, it was.
Yeah.
I don't know the exact term, but I think it's super high tide.
So we just spotted the starfish. We just ordered some food. We don't see too much of starfish over here because people were touching them and they were taking out of the water, and now all the starfish are gone from this beach as of now. We don't see any of them. We saw a couple of them in the beginning when we came. Now leaving now. So we are back on the island. It was a sweet and nice ride. It was not that bumpy like when we were going towards the bird island. So now we are heading to the famous restaurant over here called Cafe Del Mar. Cafe Del Mar. So just to have some coffee, and then we'll go to our Airbnb and rest the evening over there, because we have to leave early morning tomorrow. We are here in Cafe Del Mar and having some coffee. Right behind me over there is the taxi or the point from where you get the public water taxi to Almirante and Almirante to here. So I just went there and asked them the water taxi. Thank you. The water taxi starts in 6 in the morning and it is after every half an hour, 6:30, 7, 7:30. So we'll try to catch 8 or 8:30 ferry tomorrow, taxi tomorrow, so we can be at the Panama border by 10 or 11. And my coffee is here. It was sunny just now and it started raining, just like that. So we're back in the room, and I think that's all for today, because that was a very small trip today, and tomorrow we leave early in the morning. Yeah, so like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.